Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got a package, came in from Amazon. I'm gonna open it. Let's get to it. So if you saw the box, the Amazon package I opened in the video for the dinosaur set, this was actually packaged together with it. So it's already out of the Amazon box. And as you can see, it is a DEStar wooden bat house. Let me tell you a story behind this bat house. On our house, we have shutters on the windows. And a couple years ago, my father and I, one of the clips from the shutters broke off and was sticking out a little bit. So my father climbed the ladder to go put it in. I held the bottom of the ladder as he went up. And as he was going in to push the shutter in, a bat came out from behind the shutter and flew and nearly smacked him right in the face. Actually, the wing like brushed right past his head. Anyways, just a couple months ago, we decided to pressure wash the house, and we had the same problem. We found bats in the shutters again, and as we were pressure washing, they were coming out. So I thought it might be a good idea to get a bat house. We have a tree in the backyard, a big tree that stands by itself. And if I put this up in the tree, maybe the bats will stay away from our shutters and they'll go into this bat house. I have friends that have a bat house and they really like them. And bats are really good to have around. I know people are afraid of bats because of rabies and things like that. But bats eat like their weight, like their equivalent of their weight in insects at night or something like that. I read that one time. I thought that was crazy. So you want bats around that keep the mosquito population down. So let's open this thing up. I'm not sure how complete this is going to be, if I'm going to have to do any construction here, or if it's actually just a complete kit all set up and everything ready to go. But let's see. Opens up. We got some foam here, so protecting it. And right at the bottom I can see it's actually a little smaller than I anticipated, but I guess bats are pretty small. They don't have to be that big. So there was some good foam in there to protect it all around on the sides. And here is the bat house. Oh, they gave you some screws. That was nice of them. There is the bat house. It's let me get into the specifics of this bat house. There's different ones that you can buy. This one is made by the company DEStar, DEStar. It's made of pine, just wood. It's just pretty much a rectangle box. On the back here, though, you can see inside that there's grooves on the back, and this is supposed to help them grab on and hang in here. So it's, I would say about 14 inches by maybe 10 inches wide. And the thickness is about 3.5, 4 inches. It does have a little hook on the top here, a little metal hook where you can hang it onto a tree or a building or structure or whatever you want. And it also has screws here to screw it into something, and they gave you 3 screws. So it was kind of nice that when you open it, it's already ready to go. You don't have to do anything, just climb a ladder and stick it in. And that's what I'm going to do next, is I'm gonna go and hang this in a tree, and then we'll talk more about it. All right, so I'm back from hanging the bat house. As you can probably tell, I'm a little sweaty, but I got it hung, and we'll see how it goes. Just as a reminder, it was the DEStar Pine Wood Bat House. It had a 4.5 star rating, and it was a $32.99 item. It was not a Prime item, but there are similar bat houses on Amazon that are Prime, so it depends on what you're looking for. But this one particularly wasn't a Prime item, but it didn't take very long to come in, just a few days. So yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time, enjoy your summer and stay safe.